Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
I'm very happy, but I'm also overwhelmed. Parang hindi pa nag-sink in masyado.
Nalunod na sa atin. At isang
mo rin
finally.
I know, finally, I'm so happy. Thank you for all the support and love. I really felt it all throughout.
How are you going to start your journey to the Miss Universe ngayon?
I'm gonna take a rest first, a little bit, and then para meron ako I can plan after and see what my game plan is for Thailand.
At isa, hindi ka ba na-enjoy kanina?
Ha? Hindi ko nga alam eh. I think I'm still on adrenaline. I don't know kung ano kamusta yung pa ako, but laban lang.
Laban lang.
At isa, lagi ka nalang nagkakaproblema sa paa mo.
I know!
So, nung nadapa ka ba, naisip mo it's gonna affect the results?
No, I just wanted to get back up immediately after I fell down.
How does it feel na ikaw ang bumasag sa sumpa ng Binibining Pilipinas for MUP?
Bakit? Ano yung sabihin?
Na wala doon na nanalo Binibining Pilipinas
Ay,
sa MUP.
Finally.
Thank you.
Atisa, how happy are you to be wearing that crown?
Oh, very happy, Misty. I can't even like tell you how much I'm happy.
Baka ano, baka...
Can you tell us what happened? Did you trip on your dress? Or like, did you just miss a step? Or you just...
I got caught in my dress. Yeah. And then after I fell down, all I wanted was to get back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone was really impressed kasi parang walang nangyari. Like,
That's good.
Like, game face on, you hurt or anything?
I don't think so. Not right now.
Sabi nila, destiny daw ang Miss Universe Philippines.
I believe in that also.
So, did you feel na before the competition, parang sa'yo talaga itong magandang jewel?
Alam mo, Misty, I had so many signs. I had so many signs before I could join Miss Universe Philippines. I wasn't even supposed to be Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province. There was someone already. And then she backed out, and then I was even in Lawag, and I had to book a flight to get to the contract signing, and even that happened. And then just, it felt like I was getting led on that way. So I followed it. Because that rarely happens.
Pero yung journey mo between, from the start, like when you signed up until now, so how was it for you? Were you getting more and more confident, or did you feel like the competition is talagang matindi, although you were always a favorite?
Matindi talaga the competition because you've seen the top 6. Any of us could be crowned and we'd still have a good fight in Thailand. And I'm just very happy that the judges chose me.
Yeah. Well, what about this gown of Baltaguba?
Tita Val.
Yeah. Did you feel like, so you look super queenie?
Thank you. Thank you.
You chose it with him.
We did. We collaborated together with my stylist Patty Yap and AJ Alberto.
So your fans in Thailand, ang dami.
Waiting.
Oh my God.
Lagi na may problema sa stage din.
At isa,